How does your platform StockEdge help investors make sense of data and all?
See, I'll tell you, the most difficult problem when we were envisaging this entire StockEdge piece was finding the right data, right? There are 5,000 listed companies, and there are very amazing company which are very small, which are small, medium, and large, right? And every company will have thousands of data points, historical data, plus they'll have management con calls, they'll have annual reports, and so on and so forth. They'll have so much of financial statements which are there, and there are quarterly statements which are coming. For an individual investor, it was extremely difficult to figure out what companies are doing good on a particular parameter. So what we did was we put all the data together. Then we created a lot of filters on top of it, which we call scans, right? So these scans will help you in identifying, let's say, companies which have been consistently increasing profit after tax for 10 quarters. Okay. Yeah. This is one parameter. Then stock which are above 200-day moving average. Let's say you believe in momentum and you have this. So second point. So like this, you can add 10 scans and have stocks which are meeting all 10. Right? This becomes your filtering criteria. What stocks you want to study? Because you cannot study 5,000 stocks, right? How do you choose? So these filters, these scans, let's say you believe any company where the prices are very low and some insider is buying, that's a good sign. If the promoter shareholding is increasing, that's a good sign. There are hundreds and thousands of such signs. What we have done is we have created options to figure out stocks which are meeting these criteria, right? Plus there are price data, technical के basis पे there are hundreds of data points. तो ऐसा बहुत कुछ है जो आपकी लाइफ को बहुत आसान बना देता है. At a button of click, you get the list of stocks. You have the starting point, where to start from. If you are doing bottom up approach, right? If you're doing bottom down approach, we have sectors. Which sector is performing better, where money is flowing from one sector to the other sector, which sector is performing better than market, etc. We have a lot of such things. So top down, bottom up, technicals, fundamentals, derivatives data, index related data, all of that is there, and in a very, very noise free, simple manner, so that anyone can understand.
Yeah, and plus, I think you have a very clean user interface.
Absolutely. We kept it like that. See, there was one very prominent player in the industry. So the problem was ads, right? Because they were a media platform. So what happens is media needs to have TRP, needs to have eyeballs based on which they'll monetize themselves. We believe that in something, when you are doing something serious, you cannot see ads, right? Because if your financial analysis, you don't understand half of the things, it's such a complex subject. And in between that, you are seeing so many ads, you'll be lost, right? We kept it ad free. Absolutely. It's a freemium platform, which is mostly free, right? But still we kept it ad free because we wanted to give people a very simple user experience. Because markets are anyways too complex, right? To democratize it, we wanted people to learn it. But it's not possible for everyone to understand such complexities, right? We made it so simple in StockEdge so that people can understand using the interface itself. Still, I would say it's not easy because again, it's a dry subject at the end of the day. I'll not say it is very, very interesting for people. So we are just trying to make things simple again in various ways.